At Mastin Labs, real film is our first love. We tirelessly test digital and film together to create presets which perfectly match film. After years of development, we're proud to announce our most versatile pack ever, Kodak Everyday Original, an all-new collection featuring 3 iconic films. The ultra-vivid color of Ektar 100 is made for adventure. With cool shadows and warm highlights, your adventures are brought to life. Prized by photojournalists for its versatility, Tri-X 400 has captured the most important moments in history. With deep golden tones, Kodak Gold 200 features outstanding color, giving your memories a nostalgic warmth. With these 3 presets, make your everyday photos timeless. Kodak Everyday Original, available now.